Ford vehicles display a low-key battery warning when your key fob battery is running low. This warning appears on your dashboard or infotainment display and is your vehicle's way of telling you it's time for a battery replacement. This warning is particularly common in Ford F-150 models from 2015 to 2025, Explorer models from 2020 to 2025, and Mustang models from 2018 to 2025. The Escape and Bronco models are also affected. The warning is triggered when your key fob battery voltage drops below 2.8 to 3.0 volts, or when the signal strength between the fob and vehicle becomes inconsistent. Your vehicle's receiver constantly monitors these communication signals. Ford key fobs typically use CR2032 or CR2025 lithium coin batteries. These small, round batteries usually last between 2 to 4 years, depending on how frequently you use your key fob. Newer Ford models from 2024 and 2025 are more sensitive and can detect low battery conditions earlier than older models. This improved detection helps prevent unexpected lockout situations by giving you more advance warning. When you see the low-key battery warning, it's important to address it promptly. You typically have 2 to 4 weeks of normal operation remaining, but replacing the battery quickly helps avoid potential lockout situations where you might not be able to unlock or start your vehicle. The most effective solution for the low-key battery warning is replacing the key fob battery. This process requires a few simple tools and takes just a few minutes. First, you need to open the key fob. Look for a small slot or seam on the side of your key fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver, coin, or similar thin tool to carefully separate the two halves. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old battery. Pay close attention to which side is facing up. Typically the positive side with the plus symbol faces upward. This orientation is crucial for proper installation. After replacing the battery, you may need to reset the key fob system. There are 2 effective reset methods you can try if the warning persists. The second method involves a button combination reset. Press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 15 seconds, then test all key fob functions. If the warning continues to appear after battery replacement and reset attempts, there are several troubleshooting steps to consider. The issue may require additional time or professional assistance. Most Ford low-key battery warnings can be resolved with a simple battery replacement followed by a reset procedure. Keep spare batteries on hand and replace them as soon as the warning appears to avoid any inconvenience.